Karibuni. We'll be going through this unit called photogrammetry and remote sensing. The unit starts with, for those who are in stage 2, for those of us, and we'll go with it up to end of stage 3 when we'll be doing our next examinations. So we may go directly to the content of the unit. We want to define photogrammetry and see what it is all about. Yes. Are we able to see what is on the screen?
Yes.
What are we seeing on the screen?
Yes. Photogrammetry and remote sensing.
Let me introduce another material. Are you seeing another window on the screen?
Yes.
Yes. So by the end of the session, what are we seeing? We should define photogrammetry, and we should also outline the major applications of photogrammetry and remote sensing. Then what we can go directly photogrammetry according to what is written. Can somebody read for us? Lydia, can you read what is photogrammetry? Lydia? Lydia, are you in class? Yes. And recording? We are not hearing you, Lydia. Maybe you can unmute your mic. Jackson?
Okay, let's start.
Oh, yes, Lydia, we can hear you. Sorry. Yes, Lydia, we can hear you. Lydia?
It is the technology,
Yes.
science, and art of obtaining reliable information about physical objects and the environment by recording and ensuring interpretation photographic messages.
Yes, exactly. That is
Number 2.
no, just number 1. We are okay with that one for number 1.
Measurements from photograph whose output is typically a map of drawing measurements on a 3D model of some real world object or scene.
Yes, that is photogrammetry. In summary, we can just say it is the science of making measurements using aerial photographs. These photographs are taken by aircraft that are above our heads, usually on the altitude of 100 meters above the ground. And from that, we can make a map, we can make a 3D model of some real-world image. Then in that image, next in our screen, that is, are you able to see what is on the screen?
Yes.
Yes, on the screen there is an aircraft. You can see the aircraft. You can see it flying over a piece of an area, a given area, and it takes overlapping images. From the images, we can now make further analysis of what has been taken. Then we make useful use of the information. So after this, we'll go directly to the applications of photogrammetry. How will the images be used? How will be the captured data be used on the ground? Number 1, it can be used in geology to study the rocks. From the images, we can know a certain part has this kind of rock, a certain area, and so on and so on. It doesn't have rocks, it has rocks, it doesn't. That is basically how it can be used in geology. Then the second one, it can be used in surveying and mapping. This is a major application of this area. It is used to create maps. From the aerial photos, we can now deduce maps for boundaries, for transportation networks and all that. Yes, then others is military intelligence for in physical planning, in agriculture, and so on. On this last slide, second last slide, I want Jackton to read the first one. How else can we apply photogrammetry from the screen? Yes. 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 And in our the next slide, are we seeing what is on the screen? Maybe Vincent, can you read what is on the screen?
We are not seeing.
You are not seeing.
Okay, we can see now.
Okay, because
Vincent,
Yes.
please read what is on the screen.
Application of photogrammetry. First is forestry.
Yes, forestry.
Second is environmental studies.
Yes.
Second is environmental studies. Third, exploration. And fourth is miscellaneous topic study. Which include methodologies and actionologies.
Yes. So the last one, it is miscellaneous application, and that one it deals with just general application, other application that are minor, like traffic study. It can also be applied in meteorology and oceanography to study what is under the sea, using specialized remote sensing techniques, photogrammetry techniques. And that one marks the end of our lesson today. We'll continue from that in our next class.